Hello friend, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make ghee or other form of a clarified butter. It's a good fat and having huge benefit to our body itself. So friend, let's see how to make. It's a homemade and it's really fresh. So all you need is 2 pound unsalted butter, and I'm going to show you what kind of butter you need to purchase to make this homemade fresh ghee. So please look the ingredient. It should be cream, it's milk and natural flavor. So that's it friend. Please do. If you have other ingredient, please not purchase. It's going to ruin your ghee. So in the pot, I'm just adding all that butter. So we're going to, before that, like, share, subscribe, click that bell button to get the notification. So put all the butter in the pot and melt it in a high point. It's about in a high flame temperature. Once it start boiling, you can see that all the separation, oil and then cream. So that's the first stage. It's a melting stage. So we keep stirring. So this is the second stage. It's the cream turned to oil. So you see that it's already formed, and now is a high point. We need to reduce the temperature to low. So friends, take this point, keep the temperature low and keep it cook until all that ghee form together. So after that, we're going to strain it, the hot ghee, in a container, and we can start storing. Please store in a glass container or ceramic container for longer lasting freshness. So friends, it's about 4 cup ghee we get it from 2 pound of butter. So this is the store bought. I just want to show you different. So it's just about 8 ounce, and this is the cost that we spend. It's not that much. Only you spend about to get this is a 1/4 of this cost total. So I'm just storing it, and it's fresh. It's good for 6 to 8 months. It's more longer lasting freshness, and you can use it for many dishes or for your health. So friend, the benefit is a natural freshness, reduce risk of the cancer, anti-inflammation property, powerful number nutrition, brain superfood, and good for the heart. So friend, they have huge benefit. They have more and no benefit is contained in the ghee. Please consume ghee in your diet to get all that good benefit for yourself. So friend, I hope you enjoy and you learn how to make homemade ghee, and in no time you can have this delicious homemade ghee at your home. Please like, click that subscribe now, and don't forget to click that bell button to get the notification. Thank you.